Gatwick Tower, Westjet 1.
Westjet 1, Gatwick Tower, continue to we try. BC at 184, we should try to land with 27087.
Kilo Gatwick. Third man, Westjet 1.
One man Papa Yankee to 40 that one.
True 1, it's 1 man Papa.
I love these 787 looks, when indicated ground 121.805, goodbye.
20805, Westjet 1 from me.
02277, on the Gatwick drive clear takeoff wind 050 at 7.
Clear takeoff 08 right, 02277. Hey, ground Westjet 1 with you.
Westjet 1 ground second left turn, Juliet into Quebec, stand 566.
Left, second left, Juliet, Quebec, stand 56, Westjet 1.
Total stand 566.
Stand 566.
I'll say about 2203 on 36, push. 2203, ground stand 36, push and start approved.
Push and start approved at 2203. Gap around, Seabird, India, uniform, engine runs now complete, thank you.
Good Indian, to uniform, roger, thank you.
November, contact London, 120.530.
120.530, Victor 150, negative.
Alpine 71 Whiskey Zulu, first left, ground 121.805. First left, 11805, Alpine 71 Whiskey Zulu, next please. EG 8185, contact Gatwick director, 118.950. 108.950, EG 8185 left. November, first left, ground 121.805. Under 1805, volume 35%. Hold us Juliet 1, Westjet 2, runway 08 right, 070 degrees, 5 knots, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, right, Westjet 2. Staff and air speed with 2591. 2591 Gatwick, continue approaching right, right. Continue approaching right, speed with 2591. Charlie behind landing 321 at 2 miles via Juliet, line of 08 right behind. Line and wait behind the landing 321 on 5 now, Seabird 420. EGKK 9 Kilo Foxtrot 08 right, 080 degrees at 5 knots, clear to land.
That's land 08 right, EGKK 9 Kilo Foxtrot.
Westjet 2, contact London 120.530.
20, 530,